Hey students, for this video I'm going to go over how to use the Illuminate, how to access the Illuminate testing page. This is for English 10B credit 4, the distance between us. Now what you're going to do is, once you complete the first 26 pages of the packet, you're going to go down to page 27, and that's where it asks for the Illuminate testing assessment. As you can see, it wants you to go to the website Illuminate, and that you'll take a quiz. Each question is worth um, about, I forget, about, overall it's worth 20 points. Or actually it's worth 40 points. 10 points for the multiple choice, 10 points for the constructive response, and then that gets multiplied by 2, and that gets you your 40 points if you get a perfect score. So in order to get to that page, you'll see a link attached in the assignment. It's called the Illuminate Home Connection. You click on that link, it takes you to the website. You must sign in with Google. This is the link that you select. Now, the only time you must notify us, the teacher, that you're ready to take the quiz, or else when you click on this link and you sign in, you won't see that the test is available. So, and in order to receive credit for this packet, you must sign in and take the test. It's worth 40 points, and that's a big chunk of the grade. As you can see, the Illuminate test is worth 40 points. The performance task is worth another 40 points. And the packet is worth up to 20 points. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and below. Have a good day.